Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best new amazing Kreg tools that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Pocket Hole Jig 14 Pieces Kit by Velnut. This versatile kit is perfect for those just starting out with woodworking or DIY furniture projects. One of its standout features is the high-quality aluminum alloy construction, making it durable and resistant to rust and cracking. The kit also includes sharp, burr-free drill bits that perform well in a variety of projects, from building workbenches to dressers. The dual-pocket 15-degree drill angle enables precision screw connections, giving your projects a polished, professional finish. The design of this jig is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle. It's a great option if you're working in tighter spaces or need a portable solution. With 3 different drill sizes, 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm, it easily adapts to various types of wood and positions. However, while the build quality is solid, the included components may feel a bit basic compared to premium kits. It's worth noting that this product delivers decent performance, but it might require more frequent adjustments for precise results. Overall, this is a budget-friendly choice for hobbyists and casual woodworkers who need a reliable and portable jig. Its affordability and straightforward functionality make it a good entry-level option, though it may not meet the demands of professional woodworkers. Pros include its lightweight design and versatility, while cons include lower precision compared to higher-end models. At number 4, we have the Cabinet Hardware Jig by TBVHOMM. This tool is a fantastic time saver for anyone installing cabinet handles, knobs, or pulls. Its standout feature is the easy setup process. You only need to configure it once, and then you can repeat the same measurements effortlessly across multiple cabinets or drawers. Made from a combination of stainless steel, aluminum, and ABS plastic, the jig offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance, while maintaining high precision for accurate drilling. The lightweight and portable design is a major advantage, allowing you to store and carry the jig easily. It even comes with a storage pouch for added convenience. This jig is highly adaptable, making it suitable for a wide range of cabinet styles and sizes. While the tool is durable enough for thousands of uses, some users might find the ABS plastic components less sturdy than full metal alternatives. It's worth noting that this tool is particularly well-suited for DIYers and professionals alike, especially those who need to complete hardware installations efficiently. The TBVHOMM Cabinet Hardware Jig delivers great value for its versatility and ease of use. Pros include its quick setup, portability, and compatibility with various cabinet designs. However, the reliance on plastic parts can be a drawback for heavy-duty users. If you need a reliable, affordable tool for hardware installations, this jig is a solid choice. Taking the 3rd spot is the KHI XL Pole Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro by Kreg. This professional-grade tool is designed for those who demand precision and efficiency when installing large cabinet coals and knobs. The jig features thick, durable, all-aluminum construction, ensuring it can withstand heavy use while maintaining its accuracy. The adjustable, hardened steel drill guides allow for consistent, perfectly aligned holes, making it a favorite among cabinet makers and contractors. One of the key highlights of this jig is its versatility. It works with single knobs and pulls with spacing from 1.75 inches to 12 inches, and it's reversible for use on both left and right doors. The robust build quality and precision engineering make it a dependable choice for professional use. However, its premium design comes with a slightly steeper learning curve, and casual DIYers might find it less user-friendly than simpler jigs. If you're a professional or a serious DIYer looking for a tool that delivers flawless results every time, this jig is a must-have. Pros include its durable aluminum construction, excellent precision, and adaptability for various hardware sizes. The main con is that its advanced features might be overkill for beginners. Nevertheless, the KHI XL Pole is a top-tier tool that offers exceptional value for high-demand projects. In second place, we have the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig KPHJ520PRO2, the new and improved model in Kreg's lineup. This jig introduces several upgrades, including a steel frame design, molded pocket hole alignment lines, and a new trigger mechanism that eliminates the need for an adjustable stop knob. These enhancements make it a standout option for advanced woodworking and carpentry tasks. Another noteworthy feature is the Grip Max technology, which provides an anti-slip clamping surface to keep your materials securely in place. The VersaGrip rotating handle offers 360-degree adaptability, making it easy to work on projects at any angle. The durable polymer and steel frame ensure that this jig can handle rigorous use over time. However, with its advanced features and premium build, it's slightly heavier and bulkier than other models, which might make it less ideal for those prioritizing portability. This jig is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who want a high-performance tool for complex woodworking projects. Pros include its innovative design, excellent grip technology, and long-lasting durability. The only con might be its size and weight for users working in tighter spaces. Overall, the KPHJ520PRO2 is a top-notch jig that offers unmatched performance for demanding projects. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the KPHJ320 Pocket Hole Jig 320 by Kreg. This compact, durable jig is the ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Priced at just $39, it offers incredible value for its versatility and ease of use. The jig is designed for materials ranging from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches thick, making it suitable for a wide range of projects, from cabinetry to furniture repairs. One of the best features of the KPHJ 320 is its reconfigurable design, which allows you to adjust the spacing between drill guides by adding or removing spacers. This makes it highly adaptable to different joint types and project requirements. The glass-filled nylon and hardened steel construction ensure that this jig is both lightweight and durable. Additionally, the included carrying case and accessories such as the square drive bit and sample screws make it a complete, ready-to-use solution. The KPHJ 320 is perfect for DIYers who want a reliable, easy-to-use jig that doesn't compromise on quality. Its affordability, robust build, and versatility make it the best overall option on this list. Pros include its compact design, simple setup, and competitive price, while cons are virtually non-existent. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this jig is a must-have for your woodworking toolkit. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.